What's up, guys? Welcome back to T-Rex today. Different version of a T-Rex from Primitive War, the movie. I think it came out last year. This is like a hairy T-Rex. Or he kind of like has the Indominus Rex spikes on the back of his neck and with a bit of hair. So kind of cool looking. Let's draw this landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go fast. I'm going to try for the full body on this one. So I'll zoom into the head just up here. Top of my page, top corner. And the body will go the whole way back. Start with his eye. So we got a bean-shaped or rice, like very small grain of rice shaped eye. So carve the top line. It's kind of pointy at the ends and then curves around. So T-Rex, sort of normal sort of iris and pupil, just round. And the pupil just like in the middle there. So he has a big arched sort of eyebrow thing going on. So like curves up and down the back. Right, and this like keeps going sort of down around his eye socket, right? So there's like a little sort of bony area sort of here that comes around his eye. So it's like a circle in there, and then there's like lots of wrinkles and stuff on the inside. So like lots of sort of eye lines and like his eyelids there coming around like so. Kind of like just coming around the bottom. You can do as much of this as you want now, but it's just, he is real wrinkly, so all those texture lines are worth doing. Boom, 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 boom. This is the main one. So this frown seems to keep going just this way, down towards his snout. And this is like a real sort of wrinkly sort of brow line, bony sort of even. It's like there's a big bone that sort of sticks out here at the top. And then it goes just down the back of his head. Goes down this way. In. And then there's like another sort of bony area here. And this has sort of like scales on it. Oh, there's sort of different shapes, but they get kind of smaller as we go down here then. So just making it look sort of bumpy a bit. Right, and then his area just for his nose here. And then at the end of this pointy bit, we have his nostril. So kind of like a raindrop sort of shape going that way. And then the front of his snout just here. And then this will sort of come back this way. And it gets kind of bumpy here as well. There's like a protrusion, sort of maybe like armor or something that just goes down behind his frowning eyebrow then here. And this does seem to have like some curves on it. Just there. Right, so then finish his mouth area. So this, like his top lip, so comes around, down. It's kind of like all other T-Rexes. It's got these two bumps underneath the eye and the mouth. Underneath the eye, sorry, and this area. It's kind of like the shape of his skull. And then, so like texture lines and stuff, you can give them a scar. I always like giving T-Rexes scars, and the carnivore scars. It just makes them look super intense. And then like wrinkles all over. So like on the top lip, you know, there's like a wrinkle line just coming around for his top lip. You can divide it up into different sections. And then more of these sort of wrinkle lines just coming across, following the shape of his skin. It's kind of like you're throwing sort of a fishing net over the T-Rex. So it's like crisscross lines, you know. And they're all sort of bumpy and stuff. And dots sometimes as well, and circles. Like that. So his mouth is joined together with this piece of skin. That just goes there. And then the top lip comes down from this corner, right? So it goes wavy down there. And then we bring it around. Back in. And wavy down this way for his jaw. Right, and his lip has this other sort of bumpy section here, and I'm going to put a scar, like as if he got scratched on the mouth when his mouth was maybe closed. So we'll keep this scar going here, finish it off down the bottom of the lip, and then go again around. Then you want to add some wrinkles, just like, you know, little sort of sections just to break that up. And then texture lines like you're throwing a fishing net over him, so you have horizontal sort of lines, and they would be wavy following his head, and then the vertical ones go this way. Just breaks them up, and like some circles and stuff sometimes is good, but you don't have to do that all the time. Right, then we got lots and lots of teeth. So real spiky. And because we can kind of see into the back of his mouth, we have another sort of layer of them sort of on the other side of his face, coming down this way. Just this kind of curved zigzag line. And then this comes down for the other side of his lip. And then more teeth on the inside on the bottom. There's no teeth on the other side, but I'm going to add some just here because there should be some, to be honest, I think. There's none in the picture for whatever reason. And then we got a big tongue. Just like sticking up here. Okay, so now comes the thing that makes this guy different, his hair, his cool stylish hair. So I'm going to put like a zigzag line. This is for where the hair comes out, right? The zigzag line just coming down his neck here, and the hair spikes will like come out from here. So there's like, it looks like there's like small hairs and then big sort of Indominus Rex spikes. So what I'll do is like, we'll add like normal small ones first. And then we can go back over and add the big ones. Right, so we'll just do some textures like he's got like a mohawk. Like that. And then, so like every now and then you want to do like one of these. Right, and then the front of his neck just goes this way. And it, like, there's all wrinkles and veins and textures and all this, but it's probably better to just get like the main body shape first. Do the arms, you know, and legs, and then go back in with our textures. So he's got, we'll do the back. So his back is quite high up. Okay, so big back. It's like high up. It's in line with, top of it's like in line with this. So like the highest part is like here somewhere on the back, and then it goes, just go like down into here. Right there, and like there might be like some little hairs coming off his back there as well, but I'm not sure, to be honest. And then it comes all the way down, and it'll go off the page nearly. I'll turn it so it'll like curve around like here. So this will be the end of his tail. And then we just bring it back. Down that way, so it kind of looks like a big fish. So then, like the front of his body, so like center of his chest is like here, and then we have like his shoulder on the other side, and then chest muscle in here, and then this shoulder just on this side. His chest there. It's like a little ball, but then his tricep comes out, and his elbow, and those small little sort of T-Rex arms, 2 claws, basically very small, just here. And then the other arm just sticks out this side. 2 little claws again. And then we'll bring it back into the arm. And then his belly comes down. And we'll go underneath. So there's a gap here because he has a massive leg, like a big thigh here, like a big chicken drumstick, right? Like really big. And his calf is like here. And this comes all the way down to his feet. I'll just finish this off in at his leg. And then we get like some skin lines, you know, for his belly, kind of in here as well. And his other leg just comes down the front here. And he has like a little toe that sticks off, you know, like one of those ones this high up. And then 3 larger toes down here. So we got the first one sticking out here. And these sort of bigger ones just out here, like toe lines. And then toe out there, big claws. Sticking out here. And he got, yeah, very like big wrinkle lines on his toes. like so. And he might be like hairy down his back. I'm not sure. If you know the movie better than me, you probably know better. I don't know if it goes the whole way down. So we just got to texture him up to make him look like this, right? So imagine you're throwing a fishing net on top of him, say like on the neck. We'll have, first I'll do these, actually there's big veins sort of here. Going down that way. And then we can add like all these wrinkles that come down his neck and around his body and everything. So it's like big swooping sort of curving lines on his neck too, in between the wrinkles, down this way, and like all down his leg. You could put like his knee in there, maybe all down the leg, big ones. You're just following the curvature of the body. It makes it look kind of 3D as well at the same time, so it's kind of a useful little trick to make everything look just a bit more 3D. It's like a vector, or you know, the lines of longitude and latitude on a ball on the Earth. So it's that sort of thing. All right, so that's just going one way. So we got to like go the other way. So we just do lines that go down this way now. And it just sort of describes everything a bit better, I think. And of course, like circles, if you want, like little clusters of circles are good. I could just always make dots and stuff, makes them look bumpy. But that is the Primitive War T-Rex. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.